only 2 days. So really Saturday started Friday at 6 p.m.
Yeah, yo.
That's how it works.
Hey,
Some of y'all
ma'am.
watching the news about the massacre on Passover, and you said, but it's Wednesday.
Wednesday.
No, it was after 6 p.m.
Yeah.
That makes it Thursday.
No.
Amen. The women go to the tomb, Jesus isn't there. And
Yeah.
then John and Peter run to the
Grandma, I love you, Grandma. I said I love you, Grandma.
Yeah, okay.
You love me?
All right.
Say I love you.
Okay.
Say I love me. You love me?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Say I love you, Grandma.
Oh, there you know.
You love me, my grandma loves me. You see it?
And I called in for myself, Sister Quita. I'm struggling
Yeah. Oh yeah.
in the morning time to get up and go to church. My breathing
Yeah, all right.
is not being good these last couple of few months. And I'm calling in for prayer because I had prayer for my family, my daughters, my son.